Hello the internet, and welcome to another CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshop. Today we're going to show you how to make popcorn. Now you're thinking, popcorn's pretty easy, all I've got to do is get microwave popcorn, put it in the microwave. And that's true if you've got a microwave. Or you can get loose popcorn and cook it up in a saucepan with oil and stuff, and makes a bit of a mess, can be a bit tricky. So why would you not go the microwave popcorn? Well, the reason is, one microwave popcorn costs you about $2. One packet of popcorn, loose popcorn, costs about $2. So what's the difference? Main difference is how much you get. This will make you one bag of popcorn. But how much will this make? Well, eight and a bit. You can make 8 packets of popcorn for the same amount of money as one packet of microwave popcorn. So it's definitely worth doing. But how do you do it? Very simple. All you need is popcorn, some olive oil, and a paper bag. That's it. Now, I know what you're thinking, these are extra costs, aren't they? Well, paper bag, you might have a mushroom bag you could turn inside out, or if you've got lunch bags, this will cost you about 2 cents. And do you know how much oil we need to make popcorn? Well, 1 teaspoon. Which is very, very little money indeed. So, for $2 you can make 8 bags of popcorn instead of 1. I reckon that's a great idea, so we're going to do it. The only other things you're going to need is salt if you like salty popcorn, or sugar if you like sweet popcorn. That's about it. So, we'll show you how to make some microwave popcorn using real popcorn kernels, and we'll show you how to do some other stuff as well to make your popcorn more interesting. We're going to make a rainbow chocolate popcorn today. But let's get on with basic popcorn to show you how it's done. I better clean up this mess. Now, simple ingredients: popcorn, oil, salt. And all we need to make it is a teaspoon, a quarter cup, and a paper bag. So, open up your paper bag, get a scoop, 1/4 cup scoop of popcorn. There we go, pop it in the bag. Simple as that. Get some salt, shake it in, or 1/4 teaspoon of salt, can't remember how much actually. There we go. Depends how salty you like your popcorn. And then, a teaspoon of olive oil. Or any other cooking oil you've got. And just pour that in. Start the bag. Lay it down flat. Now, all you need to do is put the popcorn in the microwave. I haven't got a microwave. Great, got a microwave, fantastic. So, what we're going to do is put our popcorn in the microwave, and where it's folded, we're going to keep the folded side up. So the flat side is going to go down, the unfolded side is going to go down onto the plate in the microwave. And we're going to cook that on full power for about 4 minutes. However, you probably won't need the full 4 minutes. What you've got to do is listen to the popping noise. It'll pop quite a bit, the popping will start to slow down. Now it's important when the popping rate is slowing down to get popcorn out of there, because although more popcorn may pop, the popcorn that has popped will start to burn. And burnt popcorn is disgusting. Popping. Sounds good. I'm excited. There's a fair bit of steam coming out, so you've got to be careful here. And when I open the bag up, a lot more is going to come out too, so make sure you don't singe yourself. Oh yeah, check it out. Okay, this looks pretty decent. That's good. Nice and salty. Not bad. I'd offer you some, but it's just not going to work. Okay, well, we might try and amp this up a little bit by adding some chocolate. So, as before, we have our ingredients. We have popcorn kernels, This time we have half a scoop of chocolate, which is a chocolate with a crispy shell on the outside that may or may not start with two letters that are the same, R and R chocolates perhaps. We have olive oil, and the tools we need this time are the paper bag, a teaspoon, and a blunt object. Into your paper bag is going to go chocolate. Get your blunt object and just crush them a little bit. Don't have to go nuts, we don't want to break the paper bag. Just want to bust them a little bit. Get that chocolate out. Now, into here, we're also going to put in popcorn kernels. Give them a little mix. Just a little shake will do it. And now 1 teaspoon of your olive oil. Probably vegetable oils will do as well, don't know. You can experiment and find out. So, face down again. Oh, I can smell chocolate. Almost there. It's chocolatey, alright. Bit of coloration on the bag. Let's get another bowl. Fire out and see what it's like. Now this is going to be even hotter than last time because this chocolate is molten. It's gonna burn your tongue if you're not careful with it. Not enough chocolate in that one. Hardly worth bothering. Look at this. Look at that. That is some kind of beautiful mutant of chocolate and shell and popcorn. Ooh. It's hot. It kind of sizzles. It's actually quite nice. Yep. Actually, I give this a thumbs up. So there you have it. Microwave popcorn. It doesn't cost the earth. Rainbow chocolate popcorn that I don't even think you can buy. Anyway. We hoped you enjoyed this workshop. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or the usual places @InnovationStew or #InnovationStew. And check the Home Workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time!